Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies. We have some 6061 machined aluminum here. It came from our friends over at Shrum Machine in Lincolnton, North Carolina. If you guys need CNC machine parts, you guys need to check out Shrum's Machine in Lincolnton, North Carolina. We'll put their information down below so you guys can find them, but this is a machine part from their facility, and what we're doing is we're working on some finishing work using 6061, showing you a dry glass bead versus a wet glass bead comparison video. The results are amazing. It's exactly like we figured it would come out. You have a very dull finish in the dry blast system. You have a very satin, very pristine, clean, smooth finish from the wet blast. We used the same abrasive, we used the same pressures, and we were pretty darn close as far as distance goes from the part. So our results are the same. There's one big key point that sometimes I fail to mention that sticks out to me, and what it is the dry blast finish I find staining easier than the wet blast finish. So you have oily, greasy hands. I find it to stain easier. Even when the air, we were drying the part, I noticed that I had staining from the air. I had a little bit of obviously moisture in the air system, and it stained the dry blast part a lot easier. But the visual data is certainly proof that there is a major difference, and no one can discount that. One of the big key points that I always tell people, if you're prepping for anodize, wet blast is the best way, because you're gonna get a very consistent, very smooth, bright, shiny, pristine finish versus dry blast. Another big key point for me is the deburring side of things. I'm never concerned about drilled tapped holes, cross drilled holes, any bearing surface, any surface that has to hold a physical integrity or has to hold a certain shape. I'm never concerned about that in a wet system, simply because the water is cushioning the abrasive every single time. In a dry system, it does not. You have the immediate impact on the surface with the abrasive. You can see the abrasion process in the video on the dry system versus the wet. The wet is just kind of like, I mean, you can't really exactly see where you're at. I mean, you see a change happening, but you can see almost like you're burning the material in a dry system. So that always concerns me a bit when I look at really delicate surfaces and areas. And as you guys know, 6061 is fairly soft. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have an application that you need help with, or you have a question about an application, call the sales team, shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help you no matter what you're working on. Don't forget that we always do free application testing. You ship your parts in and we can help you find out a solution and a process that works for you. Like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram for daily and weekly updates. Again, thanks for watching.